This is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE review. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE comes in two storage sizes. One has 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, that's £699 or $699, and another has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage for £749 or $769. Other than the size, the Galaxy S21 FE is just like the Vanilla and Plus versions of its family. Like them, the FE comes with the same rear camera, contour cut bump to house its 3 lenses. The only difference is the FE uses plastic around the cameras, whereas the S21 uses metal. The phone is made with plastic, or maybe it's better called Glastic, which is Samsung's marketing name for it, even though it's not made of glass. Plastic phones have pros and cons. They're stronger and easier to hold, but they're cheaper to buy. With the FE, both the power button and volume rocker are on the right side of the phone, making them easy to reach when using it. The phone features a USB-C port, but no 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll have to use Bluetooth headphones or a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE comes in 4 colors: black, white, pink and green, and we tested the black one. The Galaxy S21 FE has a 6.4-inch screen, which puts it between the 6.1-inch S21 and the 6.7-inch S21 Plus. Just like those phones, it also has a 1080 by 2400 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. There's also a similarity in the dynamic AMOLED 2X screen tech. Samsung uses it to market a type of AMOLED panel first found in the Galaxy S20 phones. To keep it short and sweet, that means the screen is bright and vibrant, and from using the phone, we definitely agree. The screen on the Galaxy S21 FE is really good. The colors, contrast, and brightness are all nice, and it's fun to play games or stream TV shows on it. It's got a cutout for the front-facing camera along the top edge, but it's not that big, so it doesn't take up much space. There are some differences, but the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE's camera is largely the same as that of the S21 and S21 Plus. We'd even say there are more similarities than differences. The 12MP main camera is a holdover from the S21, as is the 12MP ultra-wide camera. However, while the S21 has a 64MP telephoto camera, the FE only has an 8MP one. It's a lower resolution camera than the S21, but it has the same lens, so you can zoom 1.1x optically or 3x with hybrid zoom. You get a 32MP camera on the front of the phone instead of the 10MP on the other S21 models, but resolution isn't everything when it comes to camera quality. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE could be the last phone to use the Snapdragon 888 processor. The 888 was the top-end Android processor for most of 2021, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is already in a few phones. Samsung's Galaxy S21 FE has an 888 chipset that's 5G compatible, so if you have a 5G contract and live in a 5G area, the phone will work. It can also take up to 8GB of RAM, depending on the model. It's perfect for mobile gaming, and it's also fine for streaming media, but we recommend getting headphones. The Galaxy S21 FE runs Android 12 with Samsung's One UI 4 overlay. The biggest change over Android 10 is that Android 12 offers more customization options, like customizing menus and icons colors. The FE's RAM, processor, and screen refresh rate should make navigating its menus a breeze, but we didn't find that to be the case. We had problems swiping between home pages, opening apps, and unlocking the phone, especially when using gesture navigation. Using the phone search to find an app also felt slow. Samsung's Galaxy S21 FE has a 4500 mAh battery. That's a fairly standard size for a mobile, but we didn't love its battery life. If you're just a light phone user, the Galaxy S21 FE's battery life might work for you, but if you use your phone a lot, it may not. Power was also not impressive, as the FE's 25 watts powering is surprisingly uncompetitive compared to the many fast-charging mobile phones out there. In a surprising move for a budget phone, the Galaxy S21 FE offers 15 watts wireless charging and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. Those aren't fast speeds either, but since so few mobile phones offer wireless charging, the specs may entice some.